Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Learn German from Hindi and English. And as you can see, today's topic is der Konjunktiv soll die höfliche Bitte, means how to create a polite request with subjunctive soll. And today's video is basically an exercise. And last week I have already posted a video on conjunctive soll die höfliche Bitte. So this is an exercise just to increase the how to use conjunctive soll and and stuff like that. So der Konjunktiv soll die höfliche Bitte. Today we are going to learn how to form polite requests using conjunctive soll. So basically in K2, we can also say it K2. In K2 we use two verbs which are können and werden. So from können we get könnten and from werden we get würden. So we are going to use könnten and würden to create polite requests in conjunctive soll. So let's see some examples. This is an exercise and the question is, was sagen Sie? What do you say? Sie sitzen in einer Besprechung. Formulieren Sie Ihre Wünsche. Sie sitzen in einer Besprechung. Formulieren Sie Ihre Wünsche. You are sitting in a meeting. Besprechung is meeting. You are sitting in a meeting and you have to create polite requests. You please make your requests or wishes. Yes, Wunsch means wishes or requests also you can say. So you are sitting in a meeting. So we have our first scenario. Es ist heiß und das Fenster im Raum ist zu. So it is very hot and the window in the room is closed. Yes, ist zu. Zu means closed. Frau Krüger sitzt direkt neben dem Fenster. And there's a lady whose name is Frau Krüger and she is sitting next to the window. Frau Krüger sitzt direkt neben dem Fenster and she is sitting just next to the window. So you have to create a polite request or you have to ask her that can you please open the door, can you please open the window. So in conjunctive soll, how would you say it? Frau Krüger, könnten Sie bitte das Fenster öffnen? Und Fragezeichen, question mark. Frau Krüger, könnten Sie, or we can say, würden Sie bitte das Fenster öffnen? Yes. Frau Krüger, could you please open the window? Or Miss Krüger, yes, Frau is Miss Krüger, would you please open the window? So this is the way in how we are going to create a question in conjunctive soll. Let's see the second scenario. Sie brauchen eine Copy eines Documents. You need a copy of a particular document. Yeah, eine Copy eines Documents. This is the genitive case. Yes, the possession. A copy of the document. Of what? Of a document. You need a copy. Okay, because it is being circulated in the meeting, and you also need a copy of that particular document. Die Praktikantin Angela sitzt neben Ihnen. Yes, and the trainee, Praktikantin is trainee. The trainee Angela is sitting next to you. So how would you request Angela that please can you give me a copy of that document? You will say in conjunctive soll, Angela, könntest du bitte das Dokument kopieren? Angela, würdest du bitte das Dokument kopieren? Yes, in English it will be as the following. Angela, could you please copy the document, or would you please copy the document? Yes, would you please copy the document for me and give me one copy? So basically these scenarios are to tell you the situation, and in that situation how would you frame a question, a polite request that is called the conjunctive soll. Now the third scenario. Sie haben keinen Kugelschreiber. Frau Müller hat soll. Sie means you. You don't have a pen. Yes? You don't have a pen. But Frau Müller hat soll. But Frau Müller, there's a lady called Frau Müller and she has 2 pens. Okay, so then you have to request her. What will you request? You will request, Frau Müller, könntest du bitte mir einen Kugelschreiber geben? Yes, Frau Müller, könntest du oder würdest du bitte mir einen Kugelschreiber geben oder leihen? You can also use leihen. Leihen means to lend somebody. Yes, you give your things to somebody for a short period of time. That is to lend somebody, leihen. Yeah? And in English it would be, Miss Müller, could you please give me a pen, or would you please give me or lend me a pen? Fourth scenario, Frau Glück soll das Protokoll schreiben. Okay, now the meeting is going on and whatever is said, now Frau Glück, there's a lady, Frau Glück, she should write the protocol. Yes, soll das Protokoll schreiben. Now you have to frame a polite request that Frau Glück, könnten Sie bitte das Protokoll schreiben? Yeah, could you please write down the protocol? Yes, I know it's your duty, but you cannot force her, okay, you are supposed to write it, then write it down. No, you can ask her politely, yes, using Konjunktiv zwei. Frau Glück, würden Sie bitte das Protokoll schreiben? Yes, Miss Glück, would you please write the protocol, or could you please write the protocol? Yes, so this is the höfliche way of asking somebody to do a favor. Fifth scenario, Martin spricht. Now as the meeting is going, so there is a man whose name is Martin and he is speaking. Yes, Martin speaks. Sie haben ein Wort nicht verstanden. And you didn't understand a word. Okay, one single word, you misunderstood that, or you didn't understand this, you have not understood a word. Now what will you say? You will tell Martin, can you please repeat it? I didn't get it, or I didn't understand it. Then you will say, Martin, könntest du bitte das nochmal wiederholen? Oder Martin, würdest du bitte das nochmal wiederholen? Wiederholen means to repeat. Yes, to repeat one more time. Martin, could you please repeat that again? Martin, would you please repeat that again? So here could and would, both are okay in these types of sentences. You can use it without having any fear. Could and would go very well as the English translation is concerned. For conjunctives, you can use them very easily, I would say. Then we have sixth scenario. Sie sind müde und möchten einen Kaffee trinken. Sie sind müde. Müde means you are sleepy. You are feeling sleepy and you want to have a drink. Yes, you want to drink coffee. Einen Kaffee trinken. Sie sind müde und möchten einen Kaffee trinken. Die Kanne mit dem Kaffee steht direkt neben Frau Kümmel. But the pot is Kanne. The Kanne mit dem Kaffee, with the coffee, steht, is directly next to Frau Kümmel, and that is just next to Frau Kümmel. Sometimes it happens that you are sitting in a table, in a large table, maybe a dining table, and the things are far from you. Then you can request somebody, okay, I want to drink coffee, can you please pass me that pot? So here is also the same situation. You are sleepy, you want to have coffee, and the pot is right next to Frau Kümmel. Then you have to request Frau Kümmel. How you will say it in Konjunktiv zwei? Frau Kümmel, könnten Sie mir die Kanne mit dem Kaffee geben? Würden Sie mir die Kanne mit dem Kaffee geben? Yes, könnten Sie oder würden Sie mir? Mir means to me. Yes, can you please, or could you please give me the pot with the coffee, Miss Kümmel? I am feeling very, very sleepy. Can you please pass me the coffee pot? Seventh scenario. Die Besprechung dauert schon 90 Minuten. Sie brauchen eine Pause. And now the situation is that the meeting is going for a long time and it's been already 90 minutes since the meeting has started. Now you need a break because you are tired, you need a break, and then you can ask your boss or the person who is taking your meeting, you can ask him, can we make a break or could we take a break? How you will say it in Konjunktiv 2. Könnten wir eine Pause machen? Könnten wir eine Pause machen? Oder würden wir eine Pause machen? Could we take a break? Or would we take a break? And should we take a break? Yeah, kind of. Could we take a break is perfect. Yes? And the last one, 8th scenario. Sie möchten nach der Sitzung mit Ihrem Chef persönlich sprechen. Sie möchten, you want to speak to your boss. Yes? Mit Ihrem Chef, with your boss. Nach der Sitzung. Nach is a preposition which means after. After the meeting, you want to have a one-to-one or face-to-face meeting with your boss. Then you can ask your boss personally that, sir, I want to meet you or I want to have a meeting with you after the meeting is finished. So you can say in Konjunktiv 2, könnten wir nach der Sitzung persönlich sprechen? Könnten wir nach der Sitzung persönlich sprechen? Yes? Could we speak in person after the meeting? Or literally it means, could we meet after the meeting finishes? Yes? Or you can say it another way. Ich würde gern mit meinem Chef persönlich sprechen. Yes? I would like to speak to my boss personally. Ich würde gern. When we are using würde, that shows that this is a form of Konjunktiv 2. It has come from werden. Ich würde gern mit meinem Chef persönlich sprechen. Like if you are telling your friend that I want to meet my boss personally after the meeting. I would like to speak to my boss personally. So guys, this was my video on an exercise based on Konjunktiv 2, die höfliche Bitte. And last week I have already posted a video on Konjunktiv 2, how to frame polite requests, and in my coming videos also I am going to do many more videos on the different use of Konjunktiv 2. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe my videos. If you are watching my English videos, then you can also subscribe and tell your friends who wants to see English videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and cheers.